Welcome back to One More Guru. In this video, I'll show you how to log in to your S-Bank online banking account step by step. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for S-Bank. Scroll through the results until you find the official bank website, then click on it. If the page appears in another language, you can switch it to English by selecting the Translate option in the top right corner. Once the page loads, you'll see the Login button in the top right area. Click on it to continue. From there, you'll be asked to verify your identity using S-Mobile. This usually requires entering your 6 to 8-digit identification number. If you've forgotten your username, you can recover it for free in the MI section of S-Mobile. Simply send an identification request through S-Mobile, follow the on-screen instructions, and click the Login button to access your account. You can also use the key figure table option shown below if needed. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully log in to your S-Bank online banking. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. This is One More Guru, and I'll see you next time.